morning, everybody. It is 9/11. Welcome back. It's a great day as we're here to talk about something really cool. Stivers, Fore, and Lincoln, downright proud to salute great organizations in town. And this one is very neat, Jackie. It is the Fore our Parks Golf Tournament, charity golf tournament.
Fore.
And want to introduce you to Dr. Michael Eberly. He is here joining us, as well as Andrea Woodard, talking all about the tournament. How you doing, Doc?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good to see you. I'm looking through the glass wall here at the TV station going, I think I know that guy. I haven't seen him in years. This is my veterinarian from years ago. How about that?
I thought it was a one-way mirror. So.
No, very cool. Tell us what's going on.
Well, back in the 90s, a group started an organization called Friends of Des Moines Parks. And then they dropped it after 3 or 4 years, and we restarted it about 5 years ago as a fundraiser to support parks. As it's necessary to cut funding from the city, we're trying to make up some of that slack. And the first year, I think we gave the city $20,000 worth of slack. A year or two ago, we gave them almost $170,000 worth of slack. So we're doing really well. We started an event last year to raise funding called For Our Parks. It's a golf outing at Waveland Golf Course. And it was successful, so we're going to do it again. Briefly, some of the things we've done, we bought a sound system for yoga in the park. I don't know.
Yes,
I know you've done it.
Yeah, we've been on the show a couple of times,
Yeah.
so actually we usually meet up there. We usually make eye contact.
I know you're a big yoga guy. And the first thing we did, Red Cross dropped swimming. So we spend over $20,000 every year to give free swim lessons to kids that can't afford it, and we have taken over the swim lessons. We do free movies in the park. 2 years ago, we put in a boat ramp at Grays Lake for our wounded warriors coming back, so they can, when they're handicapped, they can get out in a kayak or canoe. We do these new signs you may see in some of the parks explaining history of the parks and so forth.
Okay.
We're into lilacs at Ewing Park, trash bash, stargazing, and so forth. We also recently gave $10,000 to the Green Bridge Project, which you may get or have somebody in for that sooner or later. We're trying to save the bridge.
Right.
I'm going to let Andrea talk a little bit about sponsorship, and then I'll talk a little more about the actual tournament.
Yeah, I always wondered where some of these projects come from, and it's this organization.
Yeah, and I'm a member of the Des Moines Parks and Recreation Board and sit on the golf committee, so this is my connection to the committee itself, and we are continue to look for sponsors for the event. All of the sponsorships, anywhere from $250 to $5,000, provide signage for whether it's a T sign or up to the banner and an opportunities to speak. So anyone looking for an opportunity to get their name out there, we'd love some more sponsorships for the golf event in June.
Okay, June what?
19th.
19th.
Yep,
19th.
Friday, June 19th.
Okay. Friendsofdmparks.org. Okay, so give us all the details. What does it take to be involved?
It just takes the ability to have some fun.
All right.
Last year we had a ball. We have a lot of good things. We raffle more prizes. People that do some of these events said we had more raffle prizes than anybody. Some people got 2 or 3 different raffle prizes. So, I mean, we had a putter signed by Zach Johnson last year and so forth. We give away a lot of wine, 2 or 3 bottles per basket, which has been a big hit. If you can't give us money, you can give us something, is what I think the deal is. We're going to have a couple of beer tickets for the participants. They get a cap, a t-shirt, and a sleeve of balls. We have pizza afterwards. So all you have to do is sign up. It's $500 for a foursome. If you're an individual and you're not tied up with anybody, we'll give you, we'll put you in with somebody. It's $150 per individual. 1 o'clock, we have a free donated car from Mr. Willis at Lexus that you get a year's lease if you hit a hole-in-one. Last year we had almost 100 golfers. This year we're trying to get 144. Just
fill it up nice.
Fill it up. The important information is you can get online, Friends of Des Moines Parks, and all the information is online. Or you can call 515-237-1386. I don't think our number's up there. I'll give that again. 515-237-1386. We currently have 2 $5,000 sponsors, which they'll get huge banners. We love those kinds of people. We have a $2,500 sponsor. We have maybe 3,000 or 4,000. One thing that's, I think, very nice is that I donate, but I don't play because I'm pretty busy that day. So I asked Ben Page, the director of Parks last year, I said, fill it with our military. So he found reserve guys or National Guard guys. And this year, I think we have at least 3 or 4 foursomes for our militaries to fill. A $5,000 sponsor gets 4 foursomes, so she's just going to use 2 of them, and she wants the other 2 to be filled by the same people. So it's really a worthwhile cause. We're all volunteers. We all love our parks and trails. We all work hard, and we need all the help we can get, so we need more sponsors and we need more golfers. Friday, June 19th, 1 p.m., Waveland Golf Course.
Is there a cutoff date for sponsors or for people wanting to participate in the golf tournament?
We'll take sponsors after the golf tournament.
We'll take them anytime.
So to the last minute, you can come up and be a sponsor.
We'd like golfers at least 2 weeks before the event.
So you have an idea.
So we have some clue.
Okay.
But
it sounds like you just have tons of raffle prizes too. You know, if nothing else, we get raffle prizes.
Yeah, send us a prize.
Yeah, if you have a business out there that has something that would be valuable that might be able to stick in one of the baskets, or
we'd love to have you 2 out there playing. We had
Apparently you haven't seen us play.
Now wait a minute. We had a foursome from Zombie Burger last year. 4 ladies, never had a golf club in their hand. Really? Never. We had to make them skip a couple of holes.
Just to keep up with everybody.
Nobody had more fun than these 4.
Well, that's good to hear.
And they won a lot of raffle prizes, so they were hooting it up in the clubhouse and really having a good time. So you don't have to be a great golfer. These events are for fun.
It's for fun.
That's the whole idea, and to raise some money.
Raise some great money. Yeah, like I said, I had no idea some of these great things you see in our parks. You're like, how do those happen? And it's because of great volunteers like you that make it happen.
Thank you.
That is amazing. And what do you have a goal in mind for this year?
Well, last year we raised just under $30,000 in our first attempt. We're trying to get it up at least 10 this year.
Okay.
And we're trying to equip and build a shelter house at a park on the northeast side called Fairmont Park. And so we hope some of the money or all of the money will go to that this year, so kids in that neighborhood have more to do, stay out of trouble. We also have a lot of parks that need upgraded equipment, so we always find a place for the money.
I would imagine.
Always.
So again, the event is happening on June the 19th, 1 o'clock. For more information, where do they need to go again, Doc?
Well, they need to get online and look up Friends of Des Moines Parks, or you can probably just get on Des Moines Parks and there'll be a link, or they can call at 515-237-1386.
And Andrea, you'll take their donations up to the very last minute, correct?
And after.
And after. We just learned that too. Well, good to see you, my friend.
Thanks, Lou.
Appreciate
it.
Thank you.
It is 9:20.